Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 26, 1922 America New York, Australia COVID-19 NSW State Briefing Business on Freedom Day, October 11. Australia's third quarter economic growth will not be growth, it'll be a contraction. This is due to extended lockdowns covering nearly 50% of the country's population.
BBC News Business. September 26, 1906 America New York, riskiest payments should be slowed to stop fraud, says Nationwide. Nationwide Building Society sets up a fraud-checking hotline, but says wider changes are need to halt fraud.
Daily FX Market News. September 26, 1900 America New York, Australian dollar forecast. AUD, USD action may swing on Chinese industrial profits. The Australian dollar faces a tough ride higher after Treasury yields surged last week. Monday's APAC session will put focus on Chinese industrial profits. A bright figure may help AUD, USD.
New York Times Business. September 26, 1858 America New York, U.S. debt limit Brinksmanship has become a political game. Republicans and Democrats have long sparred over raising the debt ceiling. But this time, the odds are growing that the U.S. could default. Democrats and Republicans disagree on who should vote to raise the limit, and what congressional procedure should be used to do it.
Forex Live. September 26, 1847 America New York, Japanese media reports all COVID-19 states of emergency will be removed this week. All the emergency states to be lifted by the end of September according to Asahi. Encouraging news of Japan. New daily cases counts have dropped and the vax rate has climbed.
BBC News Business. September 26, 1834 America New York, Labor Conference. Party to unveil plan to scrap business rates. Shadow Chancellor Rachel Reeves will promise a fairer property tax in a speech to Labor's conference.
Forex Live. September 26, 1825 America New York. Goldman Sachs hike its oil price forecast from $80 to $90, year-end Brent. Goldman Sachs on Brent crude, saying the next leg higher for the price of oil is from a cyclical to a structural bull market. Brent oil prices have reached new highs since October 2018. Forex Live. September 26, 1818 America New York. U.S. House Speaker Pelosi says an infrastructure bill vote on Monday unlikely. Soap opera update. Who knows what to believe coming out of the mouths of the U.S. political players re-infrastructure, shut down, and what have you. Congress has to the end of this month, September, to pass a budget to avoid a shutdown.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 26, 1811 America New York, Gore's Guggenheim Spock nears deal to combine with Polestar. Polestar is nearing a deal to go public through a merger with a special purpose acquisition company that would value the Swedish electric vehicle maker at $20 billion including debt.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 26, 1811 America New York, Gore's Guggenheim Spock nears deal to combine with Polestar. Polestar is nearing a deal to go public through a merger with a special purpose acquisition company that would value the Swedish electric vehicle maker at $20 billion including debt.
Forex Live. September 26, 1802 America New York, Elon Musk weekend comments on Tesla, praises China. Musk spoke on the weekend, not blabbing about cryptocurrency this time. That Musk was highly complimentary of China. CNBC reports BTC seems to be doing okay without anything from Musk. Forex Live. September 26, 1754 America New York, U.S. National Hurricane Center warns on ferocious Sam. The good news for Gulf oil concerns is that Sam is still out in the Atlantic as per the latest update. The update from the NHC. The projected path for Sam does not place the Gulf of Mexico at threat for now. Forex Live. September 26, 1738 America New York, German election outcomes still uncertain, could be weeks of wrangling ahead. Earlier posts are here, it's a cliffhanger. Conveying this from a note via ing. Bolding is mine for emphasis but read the whole paragraph. That last sentence likely means less probability of a much higher taxing government. Forex Live. September 26, 1724 America New York, the UK petrol, gasoline shortage, a shortage of qualified delivery drivers. We posted last week on the shortage of fuel at UK petrol stations. The situation worsened over the weekend with many outlets running out of all or some grades of fuel. Forex Live, September 26, 1659 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread, Monday the 27th of September 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
Naked Capitalism, September 26, 1655 America New York, Jackpot Readiness, the literal pressure cooker. A potted history of the pressure cooker, and the values imminent within the technology.
Forex Live, September 26, 1642 America New York, Australian PM Morrison says states must reopen borders once vaccination targets hit, and why this means nothing. Australian Prime Minister Morrison said over the weekend that shut borders between Australian states must reopen once 80% double vaccination targets are reached.
BBC News Business. September 26, 1638 America New York, fuel supply. UK suspends competition law to get petrol to forecourts. It comes as the Petrol Retailers Association warns that up to two-thirds of its members are out of fuel.
Forex Live, September 26, 1624 America New York, the German election result is line ball. Angela Merkel has resigned and her replacement Armin Laschet appears likely to not be the next chancellor. Note: these are unofficial numbers still. Forex Live, September 26, 1535 America New York. Here is what's on the economic calendar in Asia today. China profit data. German election results. 2350 GMT Japan PPI services for 80130 GMT China industrial profits for August. Forex Live, September 26, 1529 America New York, Monday morning open levels. Indicative Forex prices the 27th of September 2021. Good morning, afternoon or evening to all Forex Live traders and welcome to the start of the new FX week. Some small change from late Friday levels. GBP, AUD and NZD all lower in the early hours.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 26, 1500 America New York, Economy Week ahead. Consumer spending, inflation, manufacturing. Markets this week will be focusing on U.S. consumer spending and inflation measures, and the heads of the Federal Reserve and the Treasury Department are set to speak about the economic recovery.